let's talk about how easy it is to make a homemade natural pomade without all of these ingredients and just 3 essential oils and 4 other items that you can purchase on Amazon that are also natural. You guys, when you use doTERRA oils, each of these bottles has 250 drops at least in it. And for this recipe, you're using, let's see, 8 drops of the rosemary, 6 drops of the cedarwood, and 13 drops of thyme. You're gonna have almost the entire bottle left over, and if you're wondering what else you can do with the oils that you have left over, thyme is gonna give you immune support. This is just one big one for each of these. Cedarwood is gonna be awesome for sleep, and then your rosemary is gonna be awesome for focus. So you can use these for other things. And you guys, as of just yesterday that was announced, if you're signing up through a wellness advocate like me, you're gonna get the same pricing as me with no membership fee attached. So use the link right here and you can actually have a cart with all 3 of these oils in it, no membership fee, and 25% off all of your purchases going on from here out. You guys, we're so excited about this and I hope you love it as much as we do. And try the pomade recipe, you're gonna love it. And if you like things like this, follow me for more tips.